Hi everyone, welcome to How to Math. Today I'm going to explain problems 6 to 10 from the AMC 10A 2021 fall. Problem 6. Elmer the emu takes 44 equal strides to walk between consecutive telephone poles on Google Road. Oscar the ostrich can cover the same distance in 12 equal leaps. The telephone poles are equally spaced, and the 41st pole along this road is exactly 1 mile from the first pole. How much longer in feet is Oscar's leap than Elmer's stride? So the dis so the dis if we say the distance between one pole to the next pole is x, the distance from the first pole to the 41st pole will be 40x because every pole you add another x. This means that 40x is equal to 5280. So that means that x is equal to 132. Okay, so now we know that between each pole there's 132 feet. So in Elmer the emu, in each of her strides, she'll cover 132 over 44 feet, which is equal to 3 feet. Then Oscar, on the other hand, covers it in 12. So he will cover 132 over 12, which is equal to uh, 11 feet. So the difference will be 11 minus 3, which is equal to 8 feet. So the answer to problem 6 is B, 8 feet. Now let's at question 7. As shown in the figure below, point E lies on the opposite half plane determined by line CD from point A, so that angle CDE is equal to 110 degrees. Point F lies on AD, so that DE is equal to DF, and ABCD is a square. What is the degree measure of angle AFE? So we need to find this angle right here. So first of all, we know that if this is 90, this is 110. This angle plus 90 plus 110 is equal to 360. So if we call this angle x, if we zoom in actually, this angle is x. So we have x plus 90 plus 110 is equal to 360. So x is equal to 160. So if we just replace this with 160. Also, we know that this side is equal to this side. So it's an isosceles triangle. So then these angle DFE and angle DEF are equal. So they must both be 10. So if angle DFE is 10, then angle AFE will be 180 minus 10, which is equal to 170. So the answer is D, 170 degrees. Problem 8. A two-digit positive integer is said to be cuddly if it is equal to the sum of its non-zero tens digit and the square of its units digit. How many two-digit positive integers are cuddly? Okay, so the number AB is equal to 10A plus B. If it's cuddly, we have 10A plus B is equal to A plus B squared. If we simplify this, we have it's 9A is equal to B squared minus B, which is equal to B times B minus 1. Okay, so we know that B times B minus 1 is a multiple of 9. So if B is or B minus 1 is a multiple of 3, the other one can't be. So that means that B or B minus 1 must be a multiple of 9. So we have two cases, if B is equal to 9 or B minus 1 is equal to 9. However, we can quickly rule out this case because if B minus 1 is 9, B is 10, which is not a digit. So we can check on B is 9. So if B is equal to 9, then A is equal to 8. And you can see this works because 89 is equal to 8 plus 9 squared. So we'll only have one number, 89. So our answer is B, 1. Okay, moving on to question number 9. When a certain unfair dice is rolled, an even number is 3 times as likely to appear as an odd number. The dice is rolled twice. What's the probability of that the sum of the numbers rolled is even? So the probability of rolling an odd number is 1 over 1 plus 3, which is 1/4. The probability of rolling an even number is 3 over 1 plus 3, which is 3/4. So for the number to be even, either we'll have an odd number plus an odd number, or even number plus an even number. The probability of odd plus odd is 1/4 times 1/4, which is just 1/16. On the other hand, probably the even number is 3/4 for the first and 3/4 for the second, which is 9 over 16. So the total probability is 1 plus 9 over 16, which gives us a final answer of 5/8. So the answer is E, 5/8. Problem 10. A school has 100 students and 5 teachers. In the first period, each student is taking one class and each teacher is teaching one class. The enrollments of the classes are 50, 20, 25, and 5. Let T be the average value obtained if its teacher is picked at random and the number of students in their class is noted. Let S be the average value obtained if a student was picked at random and the number of students in their class, including the student, is noted. What is T minus S? Okay, so let's start with T. Since there's an equal probability of picking each teacher, we'll just have the total over the number of teachers, which is 20. Now let's look at S. So for S, we have a 50 over 100 chance of picking a student in this class of 50. And then there are 50 students, we multiply by 50. And then we'll have to add the 40 over 100 chance of picking a student in one of these two classes. And each of those, there's 20. And finally, a 10 over 100 chance of picking a student in these two classes. Then we'll multiply by 5. So this total out to, we can cancel this, cancel these, and this one won't cancel nicely. This will end up being 1/2. So we'll end up with 25 plus 8 plus 1/2, which is equal to 33.5. So T minus S will be 20 minus 33.5, which is equal to negative 13.5. So our answer will be B, negative 13.5. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.